To wire transfer money from Wells Fargo to another bank, you will need to follow a set of specific steps. Gather information. Collect all the necessary information for the recipient's bank account. This includes their full name, bank name, account number, and the routing number of their bank. You may also need the recipient's address. Visit a Wells Fargo branch. Go to your nearest Wells Fargo branch. Be sure to bring your identification and your Wells Fargo account details. Fill out a wire transfer request form. Request a wire transfer form from the bank's representative. Fill it out with the recipient's information, your own account details, and the amount you want to transfer. Verify fees and exchange rates. Wells Fargo may charge fees for wire transfers, and exchange rates may apply if sending money internationally. Make sure you understand these costs before proceeding. Review and sign. Carefully review the information on the form, ensuring all details are correct. Sign the form once you're satisfied. Receive confirmation. After submitting the form, you should receive a confirmation receipt. Keep this for your records. Delivery time. The time it takes for the funds to reach the recipient depends on various factors, such as the destination and the recipient bank's policies.